Hello guys, welcome to TNE by Canada. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the speed limit on your e-bike so that it can reach the maximum speed.
TNEbike.com.
So I have the Dala P1 e-bike model right here, and as you guys can see, the bike is with the speed limit on right now. That's why it's only to 25 km/h. Okay, so in order to remove the speed limit and bring it up to 50 km, so you guys gonna do these following steps. So first, you guys gonna long press the up and down button, and then it hit you guys to B01, and then you just press the middle button and select B08, and at B08 just long press the down button until it's asked for the password, and the password is gonna be 8650. Okay, I'm gonna put it down. 8650. Okay, and now you guys are able to bring the speed up to 50 km/h. Okay, and then long press the up and down button again. There you go. So right now the bike gonna reach 50 km/h. Okay, so that's how you guys remove the speed limit on your e-bike if you guys have the M5 display right here. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.